What's going on YouTube? Getting out here Saturday. What's today, like the 20th maybe? Going out to Quagmire Lake on the side-by-side here. This is a 2019 Can-Am XRC Turbo R. We got Devin following behind us somewhere in his side-by-side. He's on a Polaris. A little bit wet out here today. Good thing we got the windshield on here. Devin doesn't have a windshield, he's probably gonna be soaked. So 2 years ago out here, I actually took the side-by-side water crossing. Probably crossed 300 feet of water. I thought about doing it today. Like I said, the other year when I did some water crossing on this, wasn't too worried about anything breaking. But now I'd be pretty scared of a belt blowing. We're gonna try and dislodge this big piece of ice here and push it around. Guess we should put it in low. I think we might weigh a little bit too much for this piece. We're getting a little deep here. It's almost up to my ass. Beach, we got dislodge them. Now they're moving. I don't know how much farther I could go without getting a wet butt.
Yeah. You're pretty much up to your door here.
Oh my god. Oh no! I don't know how you guys can see that, but that's pretty close. Nope. I don't think it wants me on there. So it drops off super steep, just right there, and the water just keeps washing the sand out. So if you get too close to the edge, it'll suck me right off. Right on top. The front tire is going to drop over and it's going to be stuck right there. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna go cross the water quick, but I don't think I'm getting enough speed. Last time I was doing it, I was hitting 140. Right now, the speeder's only saying 110. Problem. I mean, it wasn't very deep, but we're skimming. You need a tow? I didn't hit anything.
Someone back in. The machinist can't put bolts in it. Oh, she wants to go.
I was just too lazy to tap.
Monday morning here, doing some editing today. Actually didn't go to work. The old man said it was slow and he didn't really plan anything because he's been sledding for the last week. So I'm like, yep, don't worry, I don't really need to come in yet. So today, did some editing, like I said. We're gonna take the side-by-side out. We're gonna take the sled out. When I was going across the lake on the weekend on the side-by-side, I was only getting like 110. I don't know if it's because I changed the tires or the belts wore out, but I figured I'd change the belt so we can hopefully hit 140 because that's what it should do. Use our go fast button. We've got the MBRP active exhaust on this thing. I don't know how much you guys can hear through the GoPro, but it's quite a bit louder. Faster than the other day, but we still can't hit 140. Must be the bigger tires I got on here. I don't have a shovel or anything, but oh no, shit. I'm in the ditch. Out of the ditch. I guess we'll work the way back now. We'll head back a different way. I think we'll take the lakes back. I think all the lakes should be good. See the water moves slightly in the dam there. I mean, this thing does weigh like 1,700 pounds though. See what the shore's like here getting on. Oh yeah, no problem. I think. Those big trees scare me. They would hit pretty hard. Gone up at all in here? Maybe a little bit. Uh-oh. Well, I was just being smart and like breaking some ice through here. It was only 6 inches deep, and then I come to here and it's quite a bit deeper, and I broke through, kind of bottomed out. Not sure that I'll get out. I tried to wiggle back and forth a little bit. Now I'm really stuck. I sunk down probably another 4 inches anyway. I sent a snap to a couple buddies, and they're like, oh, we just happened to be on the way up there in like 15 minutes, so might be waiting for them. Update, still stuck in the ice here. The only tire that's above the ice is that one there. Hopefully it stays up because like the ice is still pretty thick back there. And yeah, we don't want that one to go through, but just got a 2x4 here that I found on the shore. I'm just trying to chop the ice in front of the side-by-side so I can get some momentum to go ahead and then back up again and maybe get on top of the ice. I don't know. I think we've got some reinforcements. Right, a pinner. Not really sure what's holding me. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think that's what's holding us there. Use my 2x4 and break some more ice.
Yeah, here. You didn't get caught back here.
I don't understand why it won't just come out. That wasn't it. Oh, come on. No sleds behind me, eh? Made it out. I don't know if these guys were really any help or not, but we could have tied it to the boat anchor and probably winched out, but all right, time to head her home. A little bit later than I anticipated. What's going on?
I was wondering what the fuck is down the lake.